So when I saw these images yesterday, I just can't believe this is even real. Felt like this was from the Dark Knight, a scene where Bane's coming to attack Batman and in Gotham City. This is just insane. And it's crazy, when you see all of this, these kind of images. So what I came across was what Roy Wood said, and this is so true. Might need to go ahead and move that inauguration to Zoom, send Biden and Kamala a DocuSign. And us at INVESTOFY, we said, hey, both are great stocks to buy, Zoom and DocuSign. And that's what we're going to discuss today are the stocks that you should be buying, the 5 stocks to buy during an insurrection. So the first one is Zoom. Duh, I mean, it just makes perfect sense. You've got pandemic and you've got an insurrection. But jokes aside, if you look at the daily chart, Zoom has really dropped from its high of 588 to 343, so it's lost a lot of significant value. I still think that this company can 2x in value. It could be a $200-300 billion business just because of the demand for this. And so what's a good price point to buy this at? I think the next support level, in my opinion, a good one is around here, which is 265.5, or a much safer one would be going lower to about 230. So if you see the price either starting to rebound starting tomorrow or it starts to drop more, look to buy in this range between 280 and put a stop loss at about 229.95, or if it starts to rebound soon enough, just put a stop loss at about 274 and go ahead and buy Zoom. It's a great company. The founder's brilliant. You can't go wrong with it. The second company he discussed is DocuSign. So what's happening with DocuSign, right? It's one of my favorite companies. Um, the reason is that I've just used it a lot. The performance has been brilliant for this company over the last 12 months, 197%. And since today it spiked up over 6.5%, I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and buy this, and you can easily put a stop loss at about 185.3 and just hold on to this company. I think this is going to be a great company. I think this could be $100 billion business easy. So there's a 2x potential with this stock. Now, the other thing about DocuSign is which hedge funds are investing in DocuSign. And we see Lone Pine Capital, Melvin Capital, Arrow Street, Coa2, Citadel, DE Shaw, right? ARK Investments investing in it too. Renaissance has a 100 million plus investment in this. So you're seeing some of the biggest hedge funds in the world investing in DocuSign. So I highly recommend you guys look at it too. I personally think it's a buy. I'm going to go ahead and invest in it now with a stop loss at about 185.3. So Zoom and DocuSign are great. The third one is one of my favorite companies, and it's CrowdStrike. And they're just brilliant companies. These guys, have done an exceptional job in the past. The founders are still at the company after even 10 years, and just you're seeing this company grow tremendously. And today it's popping back up, so I would buy it now, and I would put a stop loss at about 193.65 and just hold on to this. This is just one of my favorite companies out there. It's great business, cybersecurity. You can't go wrong. You'll just need more and more of it. And let's look at the hedge funds that are investing in this as well to get an idea of what's going on. If only my internet would work a little. There you go. Right? You have Tiger Global. You have Coa2 again. You have Whale Rock. You have Two Sigma, Renaissance Technology, DE Shaw, Citadel. You know, the big guns. They're all investing in this company. Altimeter Capital as well is investing, Light Street. So big companies, big hedge funds are investing in it. Definitely an opportunity for you guys to consider investing in as well. The next stock is also in the cybersecurity space, and that is Palo Alto Networks, another great company. It shot up today about 4.5%. It's at a buy spot. You can buy it with a stop loss at about 321, or even more, about 298.45. in my opinion, these are both good levels to consider. So Palo Alto Network, great company. And finally, the fifth stock that you should buy during an insurrection is Google. Google is great. Can't go wrong with Google. Put a stop loss at about, I would say, 1601.5, and just hold on to this. It's a great company. You know, they're brilliant engineers. They have so many great products. Can't go wrong with them, right? So yeah, definitely. These are the five stocks, and one of the best ways that you can start investing is through Webull, and we have a link for through which you can get 4 free stocks for Webull. So hey, they're free. We can't lose anything on it, only gain. So use the link because it's nice to be nice to people and to get free stuff, and start investing, and let us know if there's any stocks you want me to look at as well, and if there's any questions that you have about these stocks, right? And I hope that you guys are safe and that you guys invest well and that these stocks help you as well. So thank you again, take care, and have a great day. Goodbye.